Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will show you how to change your team's kit in EA Sports FC Mobile. If you want to give your squad a fresh look every time you play, and if you are a new player or just want to give your team a new look, you are in the right place. First of all, launch open the FC Mobile game on your device, and then from the main menu, go ahead and click on Club. After you open up the club menu, click on Locker Room at the bottom right corner. Inside your locker room, select Kit from the right hand side. You will be able to see a list of available kits. You can select the home kit or away kit and then choose the uniform that you want for your team. After selecting a kit, click on Confirm on the bottom right corner. Soon after you do that, preview how it looks on the match by going to the main home page and playing a match. So that is how you will be able to change your kit for your team in FC Mobile. Now your squad is looking sharp and ready to dominate. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more FC Mobile tips and tricks, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to see other tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Game on!